Okay, for A, we have an equation 3x plus 2 equals x minus 2. Does x equal 0? Well, we could substitute a 0 in and see if it works, but it's just as easy, in my opinion, to solve it. But they actually want us to show the check. Okay, so let's show the check. So substitute in 0 for x. So 3 times 0 plus 2 equals 0 minus 2. So 0 plus 2 equals 0 minus 2. 2 equals negative 2. Clearly that does not check. So does it equal? No. Okay, for B, they want us, again, to check. So let me make some space. Let me get rid of this for A, right? Because I have a feeling this one might take a little bit more room. Okay, so I have 3 times 12 minus 2 equals 30 plus 12 minus 2 minus x, which is 12 again, plus 2. And we get 33 times, right, 10 equals, and then on the right I have 30 plus 12, that's 42, minus 2 is 40, minus 12 is 28, plus 2 is 30. So we have 30 equals 30. So yes, the check does work for B. And again, I imagine the purpose of this problem is that they're showing you how to check your solutions once you solve equations. But for both these equations, it would have been easier just to solve them than to actually check.